Yes beta, now we will learn open shapes and closed shapes. So first of all, open shapes. What are open shapes? The shapes which do not begin and end at the same point are called open shapes. So the shapes which do not begin and end at the same point are called open shapes. Let me explain you. See, I am starting from this point and I am drawing one shape. See, I have ended at this point, started at this point and ended at this point. You can see this is open and its beginning point and ending point are different. So this is an example of open shape. One more I am drawing. See, this is my starting point or beginning point. And this is my ending point. So this is also an example of open shapes. Many more figures you can draw. Yes, only thing is that the beginning point and the ending point are not same. This was my beginning point and this was my ending point. Same way here, my beginning point was this and my ending point was this. Okay, now closed shapes. What are closed shapes? The shapes which have the beginning point and ending point same. You know, the shapes which have the beginning point and the ending point, the shapes which have the beginning point and ending point same. The shapes which have the beginning point and ending point same are called closed shapes. Or we can say the shapes which begin and end at the same point are called closed shapes. This is also correct. The shapes which have the beginning point and ending point same are called closed shapes. See, this is my beginning point. Same, and you can see this is a closed figure. One more I will draw. Same, beginning point and ending point. So this is also an example of closed shapes. Both are my closed shapes. I hope you understood. Thank you.